Tricolor sage, like common sage, is native to the Mediterranean region, particularly the mountainous slopes. Tricolor sage has a long history of medicinal use in ancient Egyptian and Greek cultures. Sage is derived from the Latin salvare, meaning to save. Sage came to the Americas with colonists and has established itself in the wild throughout. Tricolor sage may be used as an ornamental or a culinary herb. The main color is still green, but the edges are bordered with uneven splotches of white and the interior splashed with shades of pink and purple. Tricolor sage care is extremely easy and in the midsummer produce blue to lavender flowers that are very attractive to butterflies. Sage is considered an essential herb along with parsley, rosemary, and thyme. It does well when grown near other herbs and makes a great border to veggie beds. Plant sage near brassicas like broccoli, cauliflower, kale, or kohlrabi. You can also plant it with carrots, strawberries, tomatoes, and nasturtiums. Keep away from fennel, rue, cucumbers, or wormwood. Like common sage, tricolor contains high amounts of vitamins A and C. It also contains volatile oils responsible for its aroma and flavor. Sage contains the compounds camphor, pinene, thujone, and others, as well as estrogenic substances and flavonoids. These substances and compounds are beneficial to the digestive system. They have an astringent quality and antiseptic properties.